Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup using Backblaze on Windows step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Visit the Backblaze website. Locate the download button on the home page. Click on the button to download the Backblaze installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Double-click the Backblaze installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. After installation, Backblaze will automatically open. You will see a prompt to create a Backblaze account or log in if you already have one. If you're new, click on Create an account and fill in the required information. Check your email for a confirmation link and click to verify your account. Return to the Backblaze application after your account is confirmed. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, Backblaze will start scanning your files for backup. You can choose specific folders or files to include by clicking on the Settings button. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Backup section. Here, you can select or deselect files and folders as needed. After making your selections, return to the main dashboard. To start the backup process, click on the Backup Now button. Backblaze will begin uploading your selected files to the cloud. You can monitor the backup progress on the main screen. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification within the application. Regular backups will occur automatically based on your settings. To restore files in the future, return to the Backblaze application. Select the Restore option from the main menu. Choose the files you wish to restore and follow the prompts. Confirm your choices to begin the restoration process. After the restoration, your files will be available back on your computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.